Welcome to this tutorial on creating a footer widget in WordPress 2025. In this guide, each step has been carefully explained so that you can follow along with ease. We begin by directing your web browser to the WordPress website. When you open WordPress, take a moment to let the page load fully so you are set for the next stage. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will open up the entry point for your administrative session. It is important at this stage to ensure that your internet connection is steady, which will help make the login process smooth and uninterrupted. After you click on the login button, you will notice an option to continue with an account service. In this tutorial, you will be using the Continue with Google option. Simply click on Continue with Google and you will then be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the appropriate account that is already set up with WordPress so you can proceed with the proper administrative privileges. With your account successfully authenticated, you will then move on to locating the site editing interface. On the right side of the quick links section, look for the option that reads Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will open the WordPress site editor. This interface gives you access to all parts of your website so you can customize it to suit your personal or business needs. Once in the site editor, shift your focus to the top left corner of the interface where a plus icon is prominently displayed. Clicking this plus icon allows you to add new components or widgets to your site layout. It can be helpful to pause briefly here and explore the various options available before proceeding, so you know exactly what each new component will affect. Type in footer into the search or command field that becomes available after clicking the plus icon. This ensures that the widget you're about to add is precisely the footer widget. Once you have typed in footer, you will see options related to footer content appear. Make sure you are selecting the correct element because the footer typically holds important information for your website, such as contact details, additional navigation links, or copyrights. Finally, click on footer to add it to your website. By clicking it, the footer widget will immediately be inserted into your My Site layout, and you can begin editing it to suit the design and functional needs of your project. At this point, you are free to customize the widget by inserting the text, links, or images that will be visible on your website's footer. Adjust the settings, style, and layout as necessary to make sure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your website's design. By following these directions, you will have added a new footer widget to your WordPress site using the updated interface for 2025. Enjoy the creative process and the enhanced control you now have over your site's appearance.